Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kid here and I'm back with a new video. And on today's video, I'm gonna how to set up Facebook Pay. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. After that, logged into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, now you have to tap on three-line icon from the upper right corner of your screen. You will land on this menu page. And in here, tap on settings at the top of the list. You will land on settings and privacy page. Now at the very top under your account section, you will see payments option. So tap on payments and then again you will see this interface. From here, tap on orders and payments at the very top. Once you tap on there, now under the settings section, again tap on payments method. From here, you will be able to add your payment method on your Facebook. For that, tap on add payment method. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you may get update for the next time we post the video. Now back to our video again. Once a dialog box will pop up, from there you can select the way you want to add as payment method on Facebook. If you want to go through credit or debit card, simply tap on credit and debit and in here provide your card information, and once you're done, simply tap on pay from the upper right corner. You will be able to add credit or debit card on your card payment method. Again, if you go back and then tap on PayPal, here you have to log into your PayPal account and then PayPal will be added as your payment method as well. So this is how you can simply set up Facebook Pay. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.